It's your boy Goldie back with another video, and we're just gonna get into it today. So to those of you who don't follow me on Facebook or have me as a Facebook friend, y'all didn't get to see this car. Oh shit, zoom out, there we go. It's a 99 Honda Accord, little beater car, 125,000 miles, 6-cylinder. Cool little get around car. But that's not really what this video is about. This video is about what I'm gonna be picking up today. So I'm gonna be trading this car. I'm not gonna tell y'all what I'm trading it for. Y'all just gonna have to stick and stay tuned to the end of the video. Don't skip past nothing, don't fast forward. Just watch it. Like I said, it's a cool little beater car. But it's gonna serve somebody its purpose, and what they're trading me for, I need it. Oh, shout out to my dog. LS Swap Guru. If y'all haven't subscribed to his channel, if you haven't checked out his channel already, go check that out. That man is the GOAT. The GOAT of the West Coast. That's what I like to call him. Man, he's the reason that I've actually gotten started on LS Swaps and got interested in him. I mean, I've been interested in him, but watching his channel, it just made me jump out the window with the shit. So, appreciate you, Guru. All right, y'all, so here it is. Here's what I traded that Honda for. 1982 Camaro Z28. So 5.0 high output, T-tops, automatic for now. I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna switch it to a stick or anything, but I would like to swap the motor out. Needs a little love. Need some door panels, dash pad. But to trade a Honda for this, it's a win to me. So what I'm gonna do right now, as y'all can see, is a little bit of rust right here. It's just surface rust from paint chipping and it just being exposed. Same thing right here. So what I'm gonna do, I've already started using this this rust dissolver by Rust-Oleum. I've used it on this other project that I got. I'm gonna make another video. I don't want to speak on it right now, but y'all just gotta stay tuned. So you just gotta keep this shit wet. Alright, y'all, so we let it sit for 30 minutes, like I said. Then what you gotta do, you gotta go back over it a few times if it's a bad area. But if you guys can see, before I go back over it, how much better it looks. Spray more on there. And I'm gonna actually let it sit in the sun this time versus covering it up. But as you guys can see on the towel, all that yellow and whatnot, that's all the rust. Same with up here. Let's check this one out. Boom. In there. So, like I said, let's spray a little bit more. Don't be afraid to spray it either. You can be very generous with this shit. And in my opinion, the more you spray, the better it's gonna work. because on the directions it says to keep it wet. So, you know they like it wet. Alright, so we'll come back in another 30 minutes. Alright, y'all, so y'all tell me what y'all think about me putting these 24-inch chrome IROCs on here. Cause I am for sure digging it. They're either gonna go on here or the other project that I gotta show y'all. So like I said, y'all just stay tuned to the next video that I drop, cause then I'm gonna be showing y'all this new project that I picked up, and I want y'all's opinion on which one I should build first for the channel. So like I said, y'all just gotta stay tuned. All right, y'all, so I left it over the weekend just to see what it was gonna do, because it says on the thing 1 to 12 hours, and damn, this is stuck. So we have to rinse it off later. But for the most part, let's see if we can get in there. Yeah, knocked it down. So it just looks bad because it's fucking shop towel. So that's alright. Now I'll be able to sand it down and then get going. Alright, y'all, so I just wanted to show y'all a little bit more of the marrow. Put a little gas in the carb. Starts right up. It does have a problem with delivering the gas though. Once it actually gets running and stays running, it'll stay on. But until then, it's just kind of, I don't know, it might be a clogged fuel filter. It's not a fuel pump for sure, because like I said, or it might be a weak fuel pump. Who knows? I mean, as far as right now, I just got it sitting because I'm just trying to have build up the parts that I do need, because it's gonna be a slow project. Cause I don't got money like that, y'all. So shit, that's what I'm gonna have to do. But to y'all who do know these F bodies, y'all know that they're harder to come by now, especially with the T-tops. You're big T-top gang over here. So yep. This is killing me though, y'all, so I'm not driving this bitch until this is addressed. So if y'all know what I can do, I might just have to end up switching the whole steering column, because this is not it. Not even a little bit. So if y'all got any tips or anything, drop in the comments down below and let me know what I can do. Because that gotta get fixed ASAP. I'm not driving it. I'm not putting myself at risk like that. Fuck it. All right, y'all, so that's gonna wrap up today's video. If you liked what you seen, go ahead and drop in the comments down below. Hit that subscribe button, share it with your friends, turn on the bell notifications. Y'all gotta stay tuned, because the rest of this year we finna be going up. I got a few projects that I'm gonna be working on that I know y'all gonna appreciate. Got a bunch of new news that y'all gonna appreciate, so just stay tuned. Like I said, only way we going is up. Y'all coming with me. On that note, be easy. Till next time.
Tell you ain't no linking up, ain't no getting back in her once niggas fucked it up. Ain't no falling out, then getting back cool with us. Ain't in the mood, but really one thing we don't do is trust. One thing I really never give up, you can lose your love. I gave my all to certain homies and they screwed it up. I never thought I'd be alone inside this music, but it ain't nobody's job to do what I could do for us.